The plan to send humans to Mars includes a one-year scale in orbit around the Moon in the late 2020s, Space informs. Greg Williams, Associate Administrator of NASA for Policies and Plans on Human Exploration and the Operations Directorate of the mission, revealed that NASA wants to build a gateway into deep space around the Moon that would serve as a field of tests for the first missions to Mars. According to BGR, NASA really wants to make sure that the round trip to Mars, an effort of 1,000 days, is carefully planned over time. The base of the Moon's orbit would also serve as a stopping point for the mission, and the spacecraft that will carry humans to Mars for the first time will be launched from the Moon. If we could carry out a manned one-year mission in this deep space transport in the Cislunar space, we believe we will know enough that then we could send this thing, manned, on a 1,000-day mission to the Mars system and back. Given the length of the trip to Mars, spending a year around the Moon to make sure everything works properly makes a lot of sense. NASA will begin its mission to Mars with Phase 1, between 2018 and 2026. During this time, the agency will send 4 missions to the Moon that would deliver various components needed for the mission. Phase 2 will begin in 2027, with an unmanned mission to deliver the deep space transport vehicle that's space between Earth and Moon. The actual trip to Mars is expected to take place in the 2030s.